Hi, I'm Kania. Welcome to my channel. I'm going to do just a really quick unboxing today. I got some new headphones. I've gotten a lot of running stuff because I was doing a 5K at the beginning of at the end of January, the Chevron Houston Marathon thing. And I got so excited about running again, and I haven't been excited about it in a while. So I signed up for like a 5K next weekend, a week from yesterday, and I'm signing up for another 5K in Galveston in a couple months. So I'm super excited. I'm getting a lot of things ready. My other headphones broke, the ones that the wireless ones that hold music, the Sonys, they broke. So I might replace those only because they store music and I don't have to have my phone. But anyway, in the meantime, I got these. These are the Treblab XR100s. They are Bluetooth headphones. They do connect to my phone. I did get a new running pouch to hold my phone. I'll show you that too. Okay, so for a second there, I didn't think I paused it. So this is the running pouch. Before the race, they had an expo and they had all kinds of vendors that had running gear, running shoes, running clothes, headbands. I got a couple of headbands. I can show you those. Okay, now I'm totally ready. I'm totally ready. Okay, so where was I? The pouch. We'll start with the headphones or the headbands. So these are from a company called Junk, I think, Junk. I think. Let me see. I think it's on here somewhere. Maybe it's on the lighter one. I can't see it on this one. But this is a headband, and you really just, Junk. You really just place it on your head, and you can have it like on your forehead or a little bit further back. I'm not doing it right now because I just did my hair. But they hold and whisk away the sweat, and they actually really work well. And when you get done, it's all wet with sweat, which is really gross. But I got this leopard one, and these were not cheap, but they work and they don't give you headaches. And I got this pineapple one, which was so, so cute. So I have decided, apparently, subconsciously, that my running stuff, all my exercise stuff that I'm getting, have a pink theme. Pink is not my favorite color, but it is the color I like for workout gear. I'm not really sure how that works. But anyway, this is my kangaroo pouch. This is from a company called Rue Sport. I bought this at the expo. Bought the headbands at the expo the day before the race. I went crazy. This has a zipper pouch on the outside, which I put in when I'm at the gym. I put my little scrunchy thing in there and my locker key. And then it's magnetized, and it has a really strong magnet. And this is what it looks like opened up. On the inside, you have another zipper and a pouch. This is where the phone goes, which is over there, and I don't want to pause the video again. So my phone fits perfectly in there. It folds over your waistband and then latches together. And it's a very strong magnet, very strong. I had a hard time opening it when she showed it to me. They have two sizes. This is a larger size to fit larger phones like mine. I have the Samsung Note 8. Yes, I know the 10 is out, whatever. The zipper pocket on the inside, it goes all the way down. I kept, what did I keep in here during the race? I kept, I forget what I kept in here, but I kept some stuff in there. It's very comfortable. You hardly notice it. I didn't really notice it too much when I was running. It's not uncomfortable at all, and it works great. I bought that at the expo because I had bought two belts that you put on, but they're size appropriate. So like if you're already kind of thin, they'll work great. If you're kind of on the thicker side, they're not going to work as well. And my alarm is going off. 1 second. Didn't realize what time it was. So since I had to get my phone, I might as well just show you. This video is jumped. I was not going to make this a long video, but now it's turning into something long. Okay, so the phone just slides right in there. And there's still room on the edges for if I got a larger phone, and there's still room at the top. So if my phone, when I upgrade, this will still work out. And again, I have the Note 8, Samsung Galaxy Note 8, and it fits right in there. So that was awesome. That was a great buy. I'm super excited about that. One more thing I'm going to show you that I had been running in because my other headphones broke. These are my Avantri noise cancellation headphones, and this is how I was running with my phone. This is why I started running with my phone, because these do not store music. These are just Bluetooth enabled. So I had to have my phone to have music because I can't run without music. I don't keep my own personal rhythm well for some reason. It's harder because I listen to myself breathe and I realize how hard I'm breathing. And yeah, it's a mess. So these are awesome headphones though. They connect Bluetooth. They have volume up and down, power control, power cord, and if you have a plug, if you need to plug them in because the battery's low or whatever, they do have a headphone jack. And my phone still has a headphone jack. So that works out great. And they fold up and they came in this cute little pouch. These are, like I said, noise canceling. I did buy these on the advice of a man I met on the plane on one of my trips back home, and he had them on and he was like, oh, these are great, blah, blah, blah. Really noise canceling. Now I'm sitting on the plane and I have my Sony headphones on. I can hear still the plane noise while we're flying. I put these on. I could not hear the plane. I was like, what? I ordered them as soon as I could. They're awesome. So now, after all of that, we're going to get to the actual unboxing that I filmed this video for. Did I already show you the box? I don't even remember. Treblab XR100s. These I got on the recommendation of my son, Daniel. Hello, Daniel. How are you? Thanks for the advice. He doesn't watch my videos, but it's okay. Okay, so, I can't even slide them out. I did already cut them, but nice presentation. And you open them up, and they have like a little case. They come with a little case, Treblab, logoed. And at the bottom of the box, they come with some instructions, which I read the instructions because I need to know how to charge them and how long they take to charge and all that stuff. I know most people don't. Oh, it comes with a little sticker. Cool. I'm probably not going to stick that on anything, but I might stick it on the back of it. Thank you for your choice. Please find your warranty info and welcome gift inside. Oh, my welcome gift is what? Share your Treblab moments. Picture your experience with Treblab. Use my Treblab hashtag. Get $250 gift certificate every month. Oh, okay. Cool. User's manual. Most people just chuck it. I read instructions. Sorry. And you open them up. Oh, I unzipped them. And there you go. They're hot, light, hot pink. Ooh, okay. Has like a little pouch right here. And that holds the extra head pieces. It has your charging cable and your extra earpieces. What did I say? Head pieces? I meant earpieces. You know what I meant. Charging cable, which I'm going to charge it as soon as this video is over because I plan on using them tonight at the gym. I'm going to be all pinked out. I had originally put my leopard headband in my gym bag, but I think I'm going to put the pink one in now, because I'm going to be all pinked out. My next race is, like I said, Sunday. And so I need to make sure these work really well. And they're not very long, but they do fit around. Are they labeled left and right? Oh, they are. Okay. This is the left. This is the right. Okay, so old dude has these, and he says they work. Nice. They're pretty decent sound. They're pretty. My other headphones, the Avantris have really good sound. Like the bass is thumping. I can I can't hear anything. Even on the treadmill at the gym, I can't hear anything. So we'll see how well these work. Let's see. Okay. So that's it. I'm going to turn these on, which volume up and down. Okay, on the top, on the right, I don't know if you can see that. They have a volume up and down. They have a little latch here. I'm not really sure what that's for. That's why I read directions. Oh, that's the charging port. Okay. So on the bottom of the right one, they have the charging port. On the left one, there is nothing. Oh, but this does, so this is probably the power section, the power button. These fit okay in my ear. I'm going to double check them again when we're done. But this is the power button. It's how you find out stuff. And I'm wondering if there's lights there. And let's see if it connects to, there's a light on. Let's see if it connects to my phone. What would it be called? I don't know. What is it called? My gear is connected for calls, and this is called the XR or something? Lax Max? I don't know what this is even called. It's still searching though. Let's see. I'm trying to see if I can, it doesn't tell me what it's called, and I don't see anything trying to connect. Fully charged, turn off, da 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 da. Okay, hold on. Hold, please. Oh, if I had just scrolled down a little bit more, I would have seen other devices, and it said Treblab XR100. Genius. Okay, let's see. Ooh. Oh. Let's see. Let's check them right now. Hold on. I've got music. I've got my thing on my phone. Hold on. Done. And I'm just going to connect to my Amazon Music real quick. The volume warning was, my volume was kind of high. It's always kind of high. It's connecting. It's starting the music. This is all about waiting for the actual music to start. So I don't see. Oh, ow. Okay, they're very loud. I had the volume like all the way up. Ow. So there goes my eardrum. These get loud. And they're not too... Okay. Yeah, I like them. These are pretty loud, and they're not even in the loud range. My phone has a warning that tells you when you're getting into the max volume. I don't know if you can see that, but it has an orange section that tells you your volume's getting kind of loud. Listening to loud music for extended periods of time is harmful for your ears or whatever. Yeah, I know that, but I still do it. Most people do. Okay. Oh, these, I can't even turn these up any higher, and they're not even maxed out. Wow. Oh my gosh, these are good. These have good sound. Let me find something with a little more bass, because that's dub, like dubstep music. Let me see. How about a little Nipsey Hussle? What I like about Amazon Music is that you can play the song over and over again, and you can go to different places in the song, and it'll play that. Okay, the bass is kind of weak compared to the other ones, but it's not bad. It's not, I mean, I can hear that there is supposed to be bass. It's not bad bass, but I know I'm talking loud. Sorry, let me turn these off. Okay, these will work great. And you just hang them down. Okay, these will work great. Wow, that was, I could not even max out my volume with these. I can max out the volume on the speaker, on the over-ear headphones. Before I max out, it'll beep at me. I could not even go all the way up on these because these are super loud. I'm going to have to change the earbuds though because they're a little bit big, I think. But yeah, wow, Treblab, good job. This is a long video. I did not mean for this to be so long. Okay, Treblab XR100s. I would probably get ones, if I need to, get ones with a little more bass in them because I do like that. I'm not sure why. But yeah, but these are nice, and they'll fit back in the package or in the little thingy, and I can take them to the gym and keep them protected without the things coming off. So, and I'm getting a phone call. Wow, this is a busy video. Y'all have a great day. Thank you for watching, and talk to you soon. Peace.